Bonjour. In this video we shall learn some basic questions which are used in French and in French conversation. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Use vous when the situation calls for more formality, or also when you are asking a group of multiple people their names. Use tu when the situation is more casual or informal. Generally, vous is used with people you don't know, your superiors, or people whom you respect, and if there is more than one person. Tu is generally used with people younger than you, with friends, or if you know someone very well. If you're the one being asked, then the response can begin with Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va? Ça va. Comment allez-vous is the equivalent of English how are you, to which the answer can be Je vais bien et vous, or any of its different variations. For example, bien, merci, and several others. Comment allez-vous may be used with anyone, and even if there is more than one person. Comment ça va is generally more informal than comment allez-vous, and can be used with people you know very well or with friends. Ça va is even more informal, and the response to ça va can often be simply ça va, with just a change in intonation. Comment ça s'écrit? How do you spell that? This is particularly helpful when you are having trouble when what someone is saying because of a language barrier or unfamiliar regional accents. If you're the one being asked how to spell something, it's always helpful to know how the letters of the alphabet are pronounced in French, so that your listener will actually understand you. D'où venez-vous? D'où viens-tu? The first one being the more formal one, and the second more informal, to ask where are you from? And if someone asks you, then you will respond Je viens de, then the name of the place. Sometimes people may use et instead of venir, as in d'où êtes-vous or tu es d'où. The versions that use venir, d'où venez-vous, d'où viens-tu, literally mean where do you come from. While the versions that use et, d'où êtes-vous, tu es d'où, literally mean where are you from. Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge as-tu? In English we say how old are you, but in French the construction literally means what age do you have? And even though in English we say I am 20 years old, in French you have to say J'ai 20 ans, or literally I have 20 years, but only literally. When a translation is being made, the translation should never be literal. Quel âge avez-vous will always translate as how old are you, and J'ai 20 ans will always be translated as I am 20 years old. Qu'est-ce que vous étudiez? Qu'est-ce que tu étudies? What do you study? Or what are you studying? If you ask this, you can answer J'étudie, then the subject. For example, if you study French, you can say J'étudie le français. J'étudie le français. Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce week-end? Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce week-end? What are you going to do this weekend? If you're the one being asked, you can start off with Je vais and then carry on with whatever activity you'll be doing. The first one, as usual with vous, is a more formal one, and qu'est-ce que, tu being the more informal one. If asking a friend, you can say tu veux sortir avec nous ce soir. Here you can invite a friend to join you and your friends by asking him or her, do you want to go out with us tonight? You can replace nous with moi if you're alone. And to respond to this question, you can say anything from je ne peux pas, désolé, or pourquoi pas. À quelle heure commence or se termine, then whatever it is. At what time does something start or end? Commence means to start and se termine, end. So whatever it is, commence à 8 heures et se termine à 10h30. Starts at 8 o'clock and ends at 10:30. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? What happened? Je suis tombé malade. I fell ill. In this sentence, the question is in the past tense and the answer is also in the past tense. Quel est votre or ton passe-temps préféré? Votre being more formal and also plural, ton is singular and informal. Mon passe-temps préféré est, then you can give whatever you like to do. Parlez-vous anglais ou parlez-vous français? Or, est-ce qu'il y a quelqu'un qui parle anglais? Or est-ce qu'il y a quelqu'un qui parle français? Do you speak English or French? Or is there someone here who speaks English or French? Oui, je parle français. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Il est 11 heures du matin. It's 11 a.m. À quelle heure part le train pour Paris or Marseille or for whatever destination? What time does the train depart for Paris, Marseille, etc.? Le train part à 15 heures. The train departs at 3 p.m. Here you will note 15 heures means 1500 hours. In France and Europe, the 24-hour clock is used. So, instead of 3 heures, 15 heures is used for 3 p.m. Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? The answer can be il fait chaud or il fait froid. It's hot or it's cold. Quel jour sommes-nous? What day is it? Or literally, it is what day are we at? But it should always be translated as what day is it? Nous sommes lundi. Or, a little more informal, c'est lundi. It's Monday. Or today is Monday. Où se trouve, or où est, comment va-t-on à? These questions are generally used to ask about the location. Où se trouve literally means where is this specific thing found or situated. But où est is also common. They both mean where is. To respond, you can simply say il faut aller tout droit. You have to go straight. Or, désolé, mais je n'en sais pas. I'm sorry, but I don't know. Est-ce que vous savez où je peux trouver? Est-ce que vous savez où je peux trouver? Again, it's used to ask the location of something or even someone. Ça se trouve au 2e étage. That's on the 2nd floor. Combien ça coûte? How much does this cost? Ça coûte 7 euros. Ça coûte 7 euros. That brings us to the end of this video on basic French questions. Au revoir.